world's entire population of pygmy is isolated on a speck of land no bigger than New York's Central Park. The size of an island has a huge influence on the fate of those cast away there. The island of Komodo in Indonesia.
Amor! Super! మళ్ళీ పెట్టి మరి అన్నారు చెన్న ఉన్న చెన్నమూతికిని
These are the largest living lizards on the planet.
తీసుకోకుండా బుల్లి
It's unusual to find large predators on islands. Yet for 4 million years, the Komodo dragon has dominated here.